When it comes to SAP evaluations, experience matters. If you've been removed from duty for a DOT violation, I know this can be a stressful and uncertain time. You might be wondering who you can trust to help you complete your SAP evaluation quickly and correctly. Let me assure you, the Diversion Center is the right choice. For over a decade, the Diversion Center has been a trusted name in helping truck drivers and safety-sensitive professionals meet DOT requirements and get back to work. Here's what sets us apart. 1. Recognized expertise. We are certified SAP evaluators and fully compliant with DOT regulations, ensuring your evaluation meets every requirement. 2. Proven track record. We've successfully helped thousands of professionals like you return to duty after completing their SAP process. 3. Compassionate approach. We treat every client with respect and confidentiality, providing guidance without judgment. Our evaluations aren't just about checking boxes. They're about helping you regain control of your career and your life. Why the Diversion Center is different? Choosing the right provider for your SAP evaluation matters. At the Diversion Center, we prioritize efficiency. We know your time is valuable, so we work to schedule your evaluation promptly and provide swift turnaround times. Clarity. The SAP process can seem overwhelming, but we break it down into clear, manageable steps, guiding you from start to finish. Support. From your initial evaluation to completing follow-up recommendations, we're with you every step of the way. We don't just provide a service, we provide peace of mind. Still unsure? Let me share what some of our clients have said. The Diversion Center made the SAP process so easy to understand. I'm back on the road, and I couldn't have done it without them. I was nervous about the evaluation, but Derek and his team were professional and supportive throughout the entire process. If you need an SAP evaluation, this is the place to go. They're fast, reliable, and truly care about helping you. These are just a few of the success stories we're proud to be part of. Don't wait any longer to take control of your career. Call the Diversion Center today at 404-503-8069 or visit us online. Let us show you why thousands of professionals trust us for their SAP evaluations. The sooner you act, the sooner you'll be back to work.